Well, hey guys, welcome back. This one is a little different. They're all different, but anyway, this is a place y'all probably haven't seen before. This is my little gym in the backyard. Got bike, treadmill, plenty of free weights, dumbbells up to 100 pounds, homemade squat rack, cable fly, no lat pull down. Oh, and a row machine back there. I'm not a big fan, but anyway, the one piece that's been missing for quite a while that I've been always wanted, but never added, was some sort of leg curl, leg extension. So it would have helped a lot on that knee replacement a couple of years, a year or so ago. But so I bought one of these RitFit leg curl machines. So we're gonna put her together and see if it works. I mean, it's not super expensive, but for a home gym, hopefully it's gonna be good. So I'm not gonna do the unboxing and all that crap. I know that's boring. So I'll zip through the assembly and we'll see how we like it. Well, there we have it, guys. The RitFit leg extension, leg curl machine. Essentially, these little knuckle buster wrenches came with it, which you can put together the entire machine with these wrenches, with the exception of one bolt. That one bolt there didn't send anything to fit it. I'm not sure if that was oversight or what, but no big deal. I keep a few wrenches around, so everything's good. Of course, these will go in the trash. I'm not keeping that junk, but they work good to stick it together. And already gave it a quick test. Nice and smooth. Well, that's it, guys. That's it. The RitFit leg curl, leg extension machine. I like it. Price is right, that's for sure. For a home gym, I don't need that much, so that'll be great. It's great, and hey guys, it comes in pink if you like it. You know, no judgment here, but I chose black. Anyway, hope you all enjoyed it. Sure hope to see you next time. Bye, everybody.